free keyword research tool for blogs. So I'm having a link of this platform, the video description. Click on, it's going to bring you right here, and then come and click on sign in. So when you click on sign in over here, where we have do not have an account, register here, come and then click on it, and then you can simply come and then create your free account. So to create a free account, you have two options. You can simply come and then click on continue with Google. You can manually put in your email address and then password right here, and then come and then check the box to agree to their terms of services, and then simply come and then click on register. But I'm going to go with the shortcut and then click on continue with Google. So when you click on it, that is it. Over here, you have to come and then add your website. Okay, so you simply have to come and then put your website URL right here inside this box. If you don't have a website, don't worry, simply come and then click on cancel. And over here, simply come and then come and click on get started. Okay, so when you click on it, you can simply come and then skip this step and then skip this step as well. Okay, so over here, what you're going to use the keyword research tool for, come and click on the select, and then come and select the first one, that is keyword research for SEO purpose. Okay, and then simply come and click on continue. So after that, over here to what is your organization, simply come and then click this box to select order. Okay, and then after that, simply come and then type in the organization. So I'm going to type in a blogger, and then simply come and then click on continue. So after that, over here, are you self-employed? Yes, come and then click on self-employed, and that is it. You have successfully registered, and you can come and click on done. It is going to come right here to the keyword research tool. Okay, whereby you can use it. So over here, you see that we are within the dashboard. Okay, so when you scroll down, you are going to see that we have the keyword research area, whereby you have all these. Okay, we have the keyword list, keywords generator, and all that. Simply come here, then come and then click on keyword overview. So after clicking on it, over here you have this box where you can come and then type in the keyword that you want to make the research about. Okay, you also have the option to come and then select the language if you want, and then the location too. You can simply come and then click on the down arrow and select a target location, or you can select all locations. Okay, after that, let me put in something. So I'm going to type in digital marketing just like this, and then simply come and then click on the search. So after clicking on it, it is going to give you the overall. Okay, that is the overall search volume, and as you can see, it is high, okay, of the keyword that we just typed in. So this is all locations. Okay, and then over here you see that you have specific locations. So we have for India, there is the percentage of the search volume, and then we have other locations as well. Okay, that you can take your time and then look at them. Okay, and then over here it also gives you the keyword difficulty and then the cost per click as well. Okay, so when you scroll down to, you see that we have the suggestions. Okay, so it also gives you some suggested keywords that people usually use to search, and we have it right here that you can take your time to look at it. Okay, so beside that one too, we also have the question type of keywords that people are using to search as well right here, and then we also have the preposition type as well that you can take time and then look at it as well. We also have the comparison also that you can also take time and then look at it. And then over here, when you come here to the keyword overview, you can see that we have add to list. When you click on the down arrow, you can simply come and then click on add keyword to your list or add it to the rank tracking. Okay, so let's click on add to keyword list. And over here, you have to come and then create one. Okay, so to create it, simply come here and then come and put your mouse on the create. Okay, and then come and type in the keyword just like this. So digital marketing, and then come and then click on the plus icon. So it's going to be added just like this. Okay, after that, simply come here to where we have, as you can see, it has been added. So simply come here to add keywords and then click on it. And that is it. It is going to be added. So when you come here, over here where we have the keyword list, when you click on it, it is going to show the keyword that we just added. So as you can see, we have digital marketing right here, and then we have, that is one keyword, the total volume. We have the everything that needs to be added also here as well. So when you come and then click on the digital marketing, over here you are going to see that we have the option that you can't export. Okay, so you can come and then export it, and then you can also copy it to the clipboard as well. Okay, by selecting the box just like this, and then you can simply click on export. Okay, and that is it. And then you also have the option to come and click on the keyword directly, and it's going to open the overall thing. And then you can also come and then click on generate content with AI. Okay, so when you click on it over here, as you can see, the keyword will automatically be selected by the AI writer, and then you can come and then click on write for me. Okay, so when you click on write for me, it is going to take you through some series of steps. So the second step is the page title. So as you can see, it will automatically give you some of the title just like this. And then if you are okay with it, you can simply come and then click on this to edit it if you are not okay. But if you're okay with it, you can come and check the circle just like this to select it. And then after that, simply come and then click on generate intro paragraph. Okay, so after clicking on it, it is going to take you to the intro paragraph, and then the AI is first going to write the intro paragraph for you just like this. Okay, so you can take your time and then read it. But if you don't like it, you can simply come and then click on the edit to edit it. But if you want it, you can come and check the circle to select it, and then you can simply come and then click on generate headlines. So after clicking on it, it will take you to the headlines. Okay, and then over here it will give you the overall. You can simply highlight everything just like this, take it to ChatGPT to write it for you, or you can simply come and then select the circle and then come and then click on write for me, and then the AI writer is going to write everything for you. As you can see, it is writing everything. But you can also use ChatGPT to write the full article for completely free, because sometimes the AI article is limited, and then you can come and click on the save to save it. So this is how to use the free tool. Like the video and then see you in my next video.